Lil nigga, it ain't shit in this world I wouldn't do for you, nigga. I take bullets for you, nigga. I serve time for you, nigga. I take a life for you, nigga. You my motherfucking child, nigga. You my motherfucking son, nigga. Anybody try to take something I gave you, your life, they gon' have to take mine. I'ma give you my first pistol. 25 to life ain't even an issue. To Ann, nigga, whoever wish death on my lil nigga, I swear I kill you. When it come to him, ain't no game. Robbing and selling cane to busting a nigga brain. Whatever you name, I bet my lil nigga eat. Bitch, I robbed the whole town to keep new J's on his feet. So play me and see. I promise in the grave you a beat. Tie you up for ransom, make your family pay me a fee. When it come to my kids, nigga, that's one thing I kill by. Pull up to your bitch house and knock your fucking grill out. I swear I'ma ride. But since you came into my life, I let a lot of niggas slide. You saved a lot of niggas' lives. When it come to my little nigga, fuck everybody but God. I take a whole clip to see my little nigga survive. I bust a whole clip to see all of these niggas die. Even if I have to serve 25, that's why. Lil nigga, I die for you. Lil nigga, I cry for you. Lil nigga, I ride for you. Fuck the judge, I serve 25 for you. Cause he, my lil nigga. Cause he, my lil nigga. I'ma give you my first pistol. Dressed in all black, looking for victims. Riding around the city like any nigga can get it. Fuck fighting, I'm killing. Leaving innocent children missing. Making they mamas wish that they children never fuck with me. I torture your siblings, have you wishing you never did it. Show mercy to nan nigga, cause even your granny getting it. Put niggas in ditches, let them bitches swim with the fishes. Cause them concrete shoes made for any nigga to feel. It's a million ways to skin a cat, but I'ma give you a whole clip of reasons to leave you laying on your back. Have you praying to my Mac like please don't kill me. But fuck you nigga, maybe one day gotta forgive. Cause if you fuck with my nigga, you gotta die nigga. Ain't no cussing, fussing or fighting, I'm taking lives nigga. This my only child nigga, cause my first one died nigga. If he asked daddy why, this is my reply nigga. Lil nigga, I die for you. Lil nigga, I cry for you. Lil nigga, I ride for you. Fuck the judge, I serve 25 for you. Cause he, my lil nigga. Cause he, my lil nigga. Love. This song right here dedicated to anybody out there with kids, man. Don't let no motherfucker threaten your motherfucking kids, man. I don't give a fuck who they is, nigga. Your kids is your motherfucking heart, dog. You supposed to ride for your motherfucking kids, nigga. You supposed to die for your motherfucking kids, nigga. You supposed to serve 25 for your motherfucking kids. Cause I know I'ma serve it for mine, nigga. Real talk, nigga. Believe that.